About this item upgrade design, the adjustable head strap can be transformed different version according to your needs to better support your head and balance the specific gravity and reduce facial pressure enhanced comfort. The corners of the product are designed with arc shaped which will not squeeze your ears. The head back pad is equipped with memory foam wrapped in high-grade PU material, and is easy to clean. It can provide you with a longer game time and more comfortable immersive gaming experience. Easy to adjust, the length of the sidebar can be easily adjusted through the anti-slip knob, and the tightness of the VR headset can be quickly adjusted, so that all family members can find a suitable head position to use. Lightweight and portable, the Elite strap replacement is easy to install and disassemble, and fits perfectly into the official Quest 2 carrying case and most carrying cases on the market. Making it very easy to carry high-quality material, the overall frame of the headband is made of reinforced ABS plastic material, which takes into account the characteristics of toughness, durability, and drop resistance. It effectively reduces the risk of cracking during use and greatly extends the life of the head strap. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item upgrade design, the adjustable head strap can be transformed different version according to your needs to better support your head and balance the specific gravity